For this next set of problems, I want to teach you how to find extrema values in the calculator. And remember, that word extrema is just a collective term to mean either maximums or minimum values. So if you have a TI-84 and you're planning on taking AP Calculus, this is definitely a skill that you'll need to be able to know how to do. And let's take a look and see how to do this. Okay, for letter A, in order to find the local extrema, which just means maximum or minimum value, we're going to start by going to y equals and plugging in this function. And so we have 4 minus x squared. And we're just going to graph that on the standard viewing window. And so I can see that this function has a maximum located right here. And so in order to calculate that using the calculator, we're going to go to second and then calculate and choose that fourth option to calculate that maximum value. And the first thing the calculator is going to ask us for is a left bound. And so we're going to use our arrows here to move our cursor somewhere to the left of that maximum and then hit enter to lock in our left bound. We're then going to find a right bound, so using this arrow button to the right, go somewhere to the right of that maximum and hit enter again. And then it's going to want you to guess. You don't really need to do that. You can just hit enter one more time and it will calculate that value as negative 0.499999 and 4.25, which the calculator is for some reason not able to tell you that it's negative a half for the x value, but it really is negative a half for the x value. Okay, for letter B, we're again going to head to our y equals screen and type in the function that we've been given, that g of x function right there. So x cubed minus 4x and then plus 1. And we'll just start by graphing that in the standard viewing window. If that's not a good window, then we'll change to something else. But this looks like a pretty good picture of what's going on here. And I see both a maximum right here and a minimum right here. And so I've got to have two values to calculate here. Let's go ahead and find that maximum first. And so we'll go to second, calculate, and then choose that fourth option of maximum. The first thing we want is to find our left bound. So use our arrows to scroll somewhere to the left and hit enter, and then scroll somewhere to the right of that maximum and hit enter again, and then enter one more time. And it tells us that that maximum is negative 1.155 and a y value of 4.079. And then we can go ahead and find the minimum, which is right here. So once again, second, calculate. This time we're going to choose the minimum and hit enter. And then we're going to scroll somewhere to the left of that minimum and hit enter. Then it's going to ask for our right bound, so we're going to scroll somewhere to the right of it and hit enter, and then enter one more time, and it's going to tell us what our minimum value is for our x coordinate and for our y coordinate.